Did you know? Your brain literally shrinks and expands every day. It physically changes size depending on your sleep. How it works? During the day, your brain cells are slightly swollen because they're actively working, building up waste products from thinking, moving, feeling, etc. But when you sleep, especially during deep sleep, the spaces between brain cells expand by up to 60%, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to wash through the brain and clear out toxins, almost like a nightly brain rinse. Why it's important? This cleaning process removes metabolic waste, including beta-amyloid, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. When you consistently get poor sleep, your brain doesn't get the chance to fully shrink/expand and clean itself, so these waste products start to build up. Psychological angle. This is one reason why sleep deprivation makes you feel foggy, emotional, or overwhelmed. Your brain is literally dirty and overloaded. So in simple terms, your brain washes itself every night, and if you don't sleep, you skip your brain's cleaning cycle. Follow and subscribe for more med facts.